Aus dem Fenster habe ich gesagt. Das nächste Woche Leonard Cohen, wie überraschend, heißt ganz einfach The Window, also das Fenster. Und ich spiele doch glatt auf Englisch, einfach so. Why do you stand at a window, abandoned to beauty and pride, the thorn of an eye in your bosom, the scale of the edge you sell. Lost in the rages of fragrance, lost in the rest of remorse, lost in the waves of the sickness that loosens the high silver nerves. Oh chosen love, oh frozen love, oh tangle of leather and gold, dying of angels, demons and saints, a whole broken-hearted host, gentle this soul, and come forth from your cloud of unknown, and kiss the cheek of the moon, the new Jerusalem's growing. Why tarry on the rose? Leave no word of discomfort, or leave no observer to mourn, but climb on your tears and feel silent, like a rose on its ladder of thorn. Oh chosen love, oh frozen love, oh tangle of leather and gold, clouded of angels, demons and saints, and a whole broken-hearted heart, gentle the soul. And they rose out of fire, the fire gave up to the sun, and the sun gave over to splendor, and the arms of the High Holy One. For the Holy One dreams of a letter, and it dreams of a letter's dead. Oh, bless the continuous scatter of the word being made into flesh. Oh, chosen love, oh, frozen love, oh, tangle of leather and gold, oh, darling of angels, demons and saints, and a whole broken-hearted host, gentle this soul. Der Window. Und damit ist der Leonard Cohen durch. Happy Birthday, Uncle Leo.